This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 44 of Building Your Own Ford GT, a legend of the competition from DeAgostini. Let's have a look and we'll get straight into it. This is a small self-contained build. We're not relying on anything that we've built previously for this particular issue. We're starting a new thing. We're looking at the Daytona Cobra. The text on this is not the best. It could do with having an outline to the highlighting text, but yeah, it's all the information is there if you would like to read it. That's quite a nice looking picture. I like that. Yeah, it's sort of very Porsche reminiscent, but not quite. But yeah, it might be. I don't know. I don't read the words, so it might be. We are doing the front subframe. All we are doing is fitting the spare wheel mount into this front subframe in this issue. One screw, by the looks of it, just goes through there and holds that in place. And that is that. So it won't take very long. Let me clear this out of the way and we'll get that done. Indeed, here are the parts. We have a plastic subframe. It can't all be metal because that would just be stupidly huge. We've got 2 screws supplied, one of which we're going to be using, one of which we will keep aside. These are FP01 because it's going into plastic, so it's an FP. So one of those I should keep that aside and put in my spares packet. We've got another piece in a plastic bag that I need to cut open. Looks like so. I think I need a new blade on my knife as well. This is not cut through quite as well as it should. So there's that. This is fitting. Where's it fitting? Into the middle bit there. From that side. Only going one way round. It's over there. There's a peg through that bit and a hole for the screw in that bit. Go for a slightly bigger screwdriver, I think, for this. That one in there and supporting on the other side because it is all only plastic. Let's get that in there. I think we're cutting our thread as we go. So that is that. That is a post for the spare wheel to go onto. I'm not sure if there is a spare wheel in this build, but yeah, that's where it's going to go if there is. If not, it'll just be an empty space ready for one. I really don't know. Generally, they don't have spare wheels on these sort of builds, but they might be on this one. We'll find out at some point in the coming months. So that is that. That is another issue done. I shall see you very shortly for the next one, where we're going to continue building onto this frame for the next 2 or 3 issues. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.